Paul, the Colchester Harrison 1550 XS. Now, this machine has a lot of versatility. Tell me why.
It does, because when you look at this machine can be operated in a manual mode. We've got a conversational programming system on there as well, which is the alpha system, and we've also got the FANUC full ISO system on there. So it gives a lot of flexibility to modern machine shops now and levels of engineers coming through, whether it be from apprentices starting out, looking at learning the new CNC system for the first time, or established engineers that know the FANUC programming system.
This lends itself to any machine shop, doesn't it, to do low volume work, high volume work?
It does. It's ideal for small batch work, one-offs like you say, or full production runs. Because we've got the FANUC system on here, we can also fit the machine with an 8-station automatic indexing turret as well. So for batch runs, all you need to do is load the material and away you go.
Now, what about the swing diameter, the capacity of a lathe of this size?
Well, this particular machine here, this is probably one of our most popular machines in the range. This is the 1550 XS, and it's actually 554mm swing over the bed, 2 metres between centres with a 104mm spindle bore as well. So
this also illustrates the rigidity of the machine.
It does, because of the flexibility of the components. Today's modern machine shop and engineering shops, they don't always know what's going to come through the door, especially in subcontractors. So they need that flexibility of a machine like this, where they can put a large swing component in there, because it's also a gap bed, or they need the 2 metres between centres. Because on this particular model, we can also offer a 3 metre between centre version as well.
So again, that goes throughout your range. There's lots of options in size of machine.
There is. In this particular range of machines, there's 5 variants for different swings over the bed, but there are numerous for different bed lengths. So for example, we've got everything from 650mm between centres all the way up to 4 metres.
And you did mention at the beginning of this interview about conversational programming. Is this slightly different to the other programming languages that you have on your full CNC lathes?
It is, and what's quite unique, this is quite unique to the Colchester Harrison machine, is this. It's got the alpha system on there, which was developed by ourselves along with FANUC, just purely for our range of machines. So you've got a conversational system on there, but then you've also got the manual guide eye and FANUC ISO programming system also.
So again, it's giving you the best of both worlds.
It is. It's all about delivering what the customer wants and what he needs then to supply his customers.